Hey guys, we're going to be talking about how to order food on Doordash. First, we're going to pick a restaurant we want to order from. Burger She Wrote sounds good. We're going to click on our desired items. Let's say the Oklahoma burger. Make the required selections. Add that item to your order. Order anything else you might want. Let's get some fries with that. We can quick add it by clicking that plus icon. At the bottom, you'll see View Cart. Click on that to complete your order. It'll have an overview, the subtotal, delivery fee, expanded range fee, fees and estimated tax, and your total. You'll press Continue. This is where you decide whether you want standard delivery, express delivery, or schedule ahead delivery. You'll scroll to the bottom. You'll put in your payment at the bottom tab and then your desired tip. After that, you'll place your order, and that is how you order on DoorDash.